Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by cutting power and making the board safe. This protects you and the card. Once unplugged, ground yourself and remove the GPU to inspect connectors and pins for bent or burned contacts. Next, confirm the PSU cables are the right type and fully seated. An 8-pin can be split into 6+2, but must be locked. Reinstall the card firmly into the slot until the retention latch engages, and reconnect the PCIe power leads before powering up. Once done with reseating, run a minimal boot to isolate components: motherboard, CPU, one RAM stick, and GPU. If there is still no display or fan spin, swap the card into a different PCIe slot or use a known good PSU to rule out power delivery. Make sure to check the GPU fan header voltage with a multimeter during power on. Fans should see 12V or PWM signal depending on model. These steps tell you if the problem is the card, slot, or PSU. If the diagnostic tests show the card receives power, but the fan won't start, try spinning the fan manually to free any stuck bearings, then boot and observe. Make sure BIOS is set to default and update GPU drivers once you have display. If you find visible PCB damage or the fan motor has failed, replace the fan assembly or pursue RMA. One key troubleshooting tip: if the card powers with correct voltages yet the fan never spins, avoid prolonged operation. That can damage the GPU and indicates fan or board level failure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.